Good morning, students.
Sir, good
Good
morning, sir.
morning, good morning. Very good morning. Yesterday, I can explain some questions will be there. That same model, some more applications will be there. Those are application part. I can explain today in quadratic equations. Listen. Who are unmute? Mute. Here listen. This is the question already given that last time. Who are solving this question? Anyone? Anyone can be solve this question? Okay. Somasaket. Here listen. Alpha comma beta are roots of equation. From this one, what is the sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta will be there. That is, what is the alpha plus beta is equal to?
3 by
Anyone
8.
in this class?
3 by 8, sir. 3 by
Very
8, sir.
good. 3 by 8. What is the alpha into beta is equal to?
26, 27 by 8, sir. 27 by 8.
27 by 8 will be there.
8.
But what is asking that question? Here alpha square by beta whole power 1 by 3 plus beta square by alpha whole power 1 by 3. Take LCM. What is the LCM of both is equal to alpha into beta whole power 1 by 3 in numerator. Just cross multiply alpha into alpha square alpha
Alpha cube.
cube whole power
Alpha
1
cube
by
power of
3
1 by 3.
mean alpha.
Alpha
This is
plus beta.
also beta. What is the alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by
3
8
by 8.
whole divide. Here alpha
27 by
into
8.
beta 27 is called a 3 cube, 8
Yes,
is
sir.
called a
3.
2
Yes, sir.
cube. I written
2 cube.
that 3
2 by
by
3 whole cube.
2 whole cube whole power 1 by 3 will
So,
1
be
by 3.
there. That is
3 by 2,
equal
sir.
to. Here is called a 3 by 8 whole divide 3 by 2.
3 by
3 3
2.
cancel,
Get
2 4
sir.
8 time 4 time cancel. What
1
is
by
that value
4.
is equal to 1 by
1
4.
by
my
4.
God.
Who are incomplete? Complete that question quick.
Sir, is this first slide?
First slide.
Okay, sir. Complete.
Wait. 1 minute. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yesterday I given that some questions. Do you completed that questions?
Yes, sir.
This is there. Here is equal to. That is first one. Here observe. That is the given that here P and Q are roots of x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Then what is the P? What is the Q? What is the answers of P and Q?
1 and minus 2, sir.
Okay, good. Here listen. Sum of the roots. What is the P plus Q is equal to minus
Minus P.
P. And P into Q product of roots is equal to Q. Q and Q
Q.
cancel. Therefore P is
P
equal
equal to
to
1.
1 will be there. P1
Yes, sir.
substitution. What is the Q? minus 1 minus
One.
1 getting
One
that
minus
minus 2.
Q.
Therefore P
Yes, sir.
value 1, Q value minus 2. Small question.
Minus 2.
This continuation question will be there. Next concept explain the time. I can explain to the continuation question.
Okay, sir.
Next, here this one is the getting or not. Quadratic
Getting, sir.
equation roots are given. How to solve this question?
X square plus alpha beta into x plus
X
alpha
square plus
beta
alpha
equals
plus
to
beta
0.
x plus alpha beta equal to.
Very good. That is the one method. Another method I can explain. Here, this is the two roots are given. Two roots are given mean. Roots mean x value. Roots mean x value of quadratic equation. Listen. X is equal to here 1 by 3 plus root 2 rationalize. What is the rationalizing factor?
చెప్పండి. 1 by 3 minus
3 minus root.
What again? 1 minute.
1 by
Again,
3
again.
minus 2.
Therefore, multiply with 3 minus root
3
2
minus root 2
numerator
by
and
3 minus root 2.
denominator.
అలాగే
There,
minus root 2. 3
quite.
minus
3 minus root 2 by
కూడా
Yeah.
చెప్పేసి
3 minus root 2 by what is that value?
3 minus
9,
3 minus root whole square. 9
9
minus 2.
minus 4. What is the 9 minus 4?
5.
5. Cross multiplication. 5x is equal to 3 minus root 2. Root 2 terms one side, remaining terms another side. Therefore, 5x minus 3 whole square is equal to minus root 2 whole square. 5x minus
Sir,
3 whole
denominator 9 minus 2, sir.
9.
Sir, denominator a plus b, a minus b answer.
Sorry.
9 minus 2 answer.
Okay. Here is equal to 9 minus 2. This
9
one
minus 2.
7 will be there. Here is
7.
equal to this one 7. Therefore, 7x minus 3 whole square is minus root 2 whole square. Listen, expanding this one 49 x square plus 9 minus 2ab 2 into 7 into 3 6 7 42 into x is equal to what is the minus root 2 whole square? 2 is there. Therefore equation 49x square minus 42x plus 7 is plus 7 is equal to 0. Divide
7
with 7.
7.
Therefore 7x
7x
square
square
minus
6x
6x plus 1 is equal to
plus 1 equal to
0.
0.
That is the
Yes, sir.
equation. Without using that formula, any equation is the given that roots are given, but similar form will be there. One is called 3 plus root 2 mean, another one is called 3 minus root 2. Like conjugate form will be there. Like conjugate form is there. You can take one of the root is the x. After simplify, does not contain root term. Bring one side, squaring on both side. You can get that required equation of quadratic. Do you understand?
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No.
Okay. Copy it. Answer roots. Here this is the equation required. equation required. What is that equation? 7x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0.
Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next one more question is the given. Based on this is there, logarithm will be there. Here, listen. This is real roots of equation will be there. 7 power log quadratic base 7 when base and base equal. What is that equation? X square
X square minus
4x
4x plus
plus
5
5 is equal to x
equal to x
minus
minus
1. All term bring one side. Here x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Find out roots of this equation.
2 and 3, sir. Answer.
2 and 3, very good. Remaining students also can be solved. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Find out quadratic. Find out that here roots of equation you can get. What are factors? X minus 2 into
Minus
x minus 3
X
is
minus 3
equal to
equal to 0.
0. Very good.
X equal to 2 and 2 comma 3.
Very good, very good. X is equal to 2 comma 3.
2
Like
comma 3.
small questions only given yesterday. Very, very small questions.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Next. This is there one more question yesterday I given. Here listen. Quadratic equation as the product of roots is equal to 31. Yesterday also I can explain what is the e power 2 log k value.
2 into k square.
K square you can get. Therefore, because again one more time I can explain 2 log k that is equal to e power logarithm of k square. In mathematics, when logarithm base not given, always you can take e base
E as
base
a base.
equal, that is
Then k
called a
square.
k square. Therefore, quadratic x square minus 2 root 2k into x plus 2k square minus
Square.
1 is equal
Minus
to
1.
0.
0.
What is the given? Alpha into beta is equal to 31 is the given.
31.
Product of roots. What is the product of roots? Here 2k square minus 1 is
Minus 1.
equal to 31. What is the
31.
2k square is equal to 32.
32.
Therefore 2 how many times cancel? 16 times. K value.
16.
Therefore what is the k value? Only 4 you can
Plus or
take.
minus 4.
Don't plus or
Real.
minus because logarithm can
Real
be
roots.
defined only positive numbers. Logarithm can be defined only positive. That's why what is the k value is equal to 4. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
From this question, what is the alpha q plus beta cube. Find out. What is the alpha cube plus beta cube? No problem, you can do slowly. What is alpha cube plus beta cube?
Alpha cube minus alpha cube plus beta cube is
Sir.
equals to alpha plus beta into alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square.
Very good, that is the formula. You can use that another formula also there.
Yes, sir.
Use that formula.
Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. So many of them is the tell to that formula. Very good, and do it. Already k value you know, sum of the roots you know, product of the roots you know. Just substitution and simplify.
Yes, sir.
No problem, slowly you can solve. Learn slowly, one by one point. You can perfect in that subject.
So 128.
128 getting? Wait,
Yes.
some more. I want to the answer calculated for
Sir,
all students.
Alpha plus beta.
That formula alpha plus beta whole cube
Values,
minus
Minus 3 alpha beta
Values
into alpha plus beta.
into alpha plus
plus
beta.
beta.
What is alpha plus beta? Is equal to here 2 root 2 k value 4 into 2 8 root 2 alpha into beta, that is equal to already
Minus
given,
1.
that is there 31, already given 31, both values substitution in that equation. Find out. Some students said some answer, another students also same answer getting or not, or different answer. Solve that question. Simplification is very important. In mathematics, first you learn that calculation part is the major process. Everything is the knows that process, but who are correctly done, those students are got good results. Anyone got answer?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, 280 root 2.
280 root 2. Any more?
So what is the answer?
Alpha plus beta.
I can solve. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 8 root 2 whole cube. 8 cube is equal to 512. Here
Sir, we can take
512
8.
into root
Sir,
2 whole cube.
we can take
Wait,
8 root 2 common, no, sir.
8 root 2 common also. Okay. 8 root alpha plus beta is common. Alpha plus beta common. What you get?
Alpha plus beta whole square
Alpha
minus
plus
3 alpha
beta
beta.
whole square minus 3 alpha beta. What you get? 8 root 2 into
8 root
alpha
2,
plus beta whole
128.
square. Whole square means 64 into
64
2.
into 2, 128.
128
Minus
minus
30, 93.
3 1 is equal to 393. 128 minus 93.
35.
What is
35.
that value?
35.
8 root 2 into that is
35.
called 35.
280 root 2.
35 into 8 to
280 root 2. 80 root 2.
280 root 2.
280 root 2. That is their value of that alpha cube plus beta cube. In examination,
Yes, sir.
final examination can be asking that question. More calculation. Calculation you can do that properly, you can get that marks. Not only process and calculation, both are done, then only you can get that marks.
Sir, if possible, can you show previous slide?
Wait.
Sir, if possible, can you show previous slide?
Wait, 1 minute. I can show me previous slide also. Completed? Okay. Here, this is previous slide. Okay. Write down. This is their
Minus b by a.
if roots of quadratic are both are positive. Roots of quadratic both are positive. Positive means sum
Positive.
2 and 3, 3 and 5,
Positive.
5 and 7 or 5 and 6. Like roots are there, positive roots. What is the meaning of this one? Alpha positive,
Yes, sir.
beta also positive. Alpha positive, beta also
Positive.
positive. Here b value less than 0. What is the given? Given b value less than 0. What is the sum of the roots formula? Anyone?
Minus b by a.
Very good. Minus b
Yes,
by
sir.
a. Listen, alpha positive, beta positive. What is the sum of two positive numbers?
Also positive.
Positive. That's why minus b by a greater than 0. Minus b by a greater than 0. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Here b value negative. Negative into negative is
Positive.
positive. That's why numerator positive. Total
Positive.
fraction positive.
Positive.
Numerator positive mean what about denominator?
No.
Is also positive. Sir.
Positive. Do you understand?
Yes,
Here,
sir.
listen
Positive.
again. B negative. Negative of negative is positive. Numerator positive mean total should
Zero.
be positive. That's mean
Yes, sir.
denominator also must be positive. A greater than 0. A greater than 0. After alpha into beta is
C by
equal
S.
to C by A. Alpha positive, beta positive. What is the two positive numbers multiplication? Positive. It's greater than 0. Greater than 0. Already you know that A value positive. That's mean what about C value?
Also positive, sir.
Also positive implies C greater than 0. C greater than 0. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Answer
Same
is first, sir.
question.
Option 4.
Okay. Same question. Here listen. Same question. Both roots are negative. Alpha comma beta are negative. Negative and B value less than 0. What about A and C?
less than
Both
no
negative, sir.
sir.
Here listen, alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. Alpha negative, beta negative. Negative plus a negative, what is that value?
Negative, sir.
Negative. That's a value less than 0. That's a value less than 0. But B negative. B negative mean minus B is a negative or
Negative.
positive?
Negative sir.
Positive, sir.
Positive. Minus B positive. Total negative. Numerator positive mean A value must be less than
Negative.
0.
Yes,
A
sir.
value must be less
Less
than
than 0.
Yes
0.
sir.
Any doubt up to this one?
No, sir.
Here alpha into beta is equal to C by A. What is the multiplication of two negative numbers?
Positive, sir.
Positive. Therefore, it's greater than 0. C by A is the positive. Before you know that, A value negative. A negative means what about C value?
Also negative, sir.
Negative. Very
Negative,
good.
sir, negative.
C value negative. Therefore, what is the
Yes, sir.
condition? A negative, C also
Same
negative.
negative.
Do you understand this model question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Note down.
Sir, once more the previous slide, please.
Wait. First copy this one. I can show me that slide.
Okay, sir. So once can you give slide? Okay, sir, completed.
All are completed?
Yes sir.
Yes. This is the previous slide. 1 minute.
So this is
So once can you say this previous?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This previous.
Now,
Lost. Sir, this previous.
this one.
Okay, sir, thank you, thank you. Sir, this previous one.
You all are completed this one?
Yes, sir, this previous.
Okay. 1 minute. I can send him that previous slide. Okay.
Okay, sir, this previous. Okay, sir, this previous.
That's all.
Okay, sir, thank you, thank you.
Okay. You can see that next one. alpha beta are roots. I can show.
Sir, one side. This one only, sir. Sir, black one, black one.
Wait. All are note down properly, each and every slide.
So one's little side. Okay, sir, continue.
And here,
Sir, one's black one. Black.
I can.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. Next one. Alpha, beta are roots of equation. Alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. How to find out that? Alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. But you know that you don't know the formula about alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. How to calculate it? First you can return what is the alpha plus beta sum of the roots. Anyone?
2, sir. 2.
That is
Two, sir.
equal to
Alpha into
2.
beta 4.
What is the
Alpha, beta
alpha
equal to
into beta is equal to
4.
4.
4.
This is alpha plus beta, alpha beta. I want to the alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Consider alpha square plus beta square multiply alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to. Just multiply directly. What is the alpha square into alpha cube? Alpha power 5
Alpha power of 5.
plus alpha square into beta cube. Alpha square into beta cube plus next one beta square into alpha cube. Next one beta square into beta cube. What is that value? Beta power 5. What is the required? Alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 required. Therefore, alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 is equal to alpha square plus beta square multiply alpha cube plus beta cube minus alpha square beta cube minus beta square alpha cube. Any doubt about the steps? Any doubt? Here observe alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. The two terms are required. Remaining two term bring left hand side. Do you understand?
Yes.
That is equal to alpha square plus beta square multiply alpha cube plus beta cube minus alpha square beta square into alpha plus beta. How to calculate it? Alpha square plus beta square. Anyone? How to calculate it? Alpha square plus beta square.
Alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta.
Very good. Consider alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. That is, what is the alpha plus beta is equal to 2. 2 square is equal to 4 minus 2 into 4 is equal to 8. What is that value is? Minus 4. Find out alpha cube plus beta cube. That is, what is the formula for alpha cube?
Alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta.
alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3
whole cube
alpha
minus 3
beta
alpha beta into
into
alpha plus beta.
alpha plus beta.
32.
Alpha plus beta value 2. 2 cube is equal to 8. 3 into 4 into 2. 3 to 6. 6 4 is equal to 24. You can get minus 16. Here minus 16. Finally, what is asking? Alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 is equal to product of these two terms minus 4 into minus 16, that is called
64
64 minus
minus
what is the alpha square beta square. Alpha square beta square means 16. 16 into 2, what is the
32.
16 into 2? 32.
32.
Therefore what is the
32 answer.
64 minus? Very good, very good. This is there some extension level of, based on that results will be there. Sum of the roots you know, product of the roots you know. How to find out that value? This is the method will be there. Do you understand? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, do it. Generally roots are given which two values are multiply, getting that alpha power 5 and beta power 5. First you observe, observation only you can get that result. Anyone having doubt is there, you can ask immediately. I can explain once again. If you sit silently, you cannot able to understood. Don't leave that class up to ending.
Yes, wait.
Completed.
Completed, sir.
If anyone having network problem, if disconnected, immediately again connect. Otherwise having that this all points are don't know, after again explain to some other chapter same points having that problem. You can't understand that problems, that time you feel that subject will be difficult. Here that is another model will be there. This model using that some different type of questions involving quadratic. Listen, generally by observation of this question, here listen, alpha comma beta roots of equation, then this is the value he is asking. What is that value? Here generally so many of them, how to approach this one? Just take LCM and multiply, very long process. Just listen. Here alpha beta roots of equation, for example x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2 is root of equation. What is the meaning of this statement? Anyone? Quadratic
X equal to 2,
equation
sir.
is x is equal to 2. when two substitution in this equation,
Then the zero.
satisfied or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, satisfied. Same like alpha, beta are roots of equation. What is the meaning of this one? Alpha must be satisfied this equation. Listen, here 3 alpha square plus 5 alpha plus minus 7 is equal to 0. First two terms, what is the common? First
Alpha.
alpha common, very good.
Alpha.
Alpha common, 3 alpha plus 5
3
is
alpha plus
equal
5.
to 7.
1 by alpha
Is
beta
equal to
7.
7.
plus 1 by
Therefore,
beta plus
what is the 3 alpha plus 5 is equal to 7 by
7 by
alpha
alpha.
or not? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
what is the 1 by 3 alpha plus 5 is equal to alpha by 7 or not?
Alpha by 7. Yes, sir.
Similarly,
Right, sir.
listen, 1 by 3 beta plus 5. Anyone?
Beta by 7.
Very good. Beta by 7 will be there.
7.
1 by 3 beta plus 5 is equal to beta by 7.
Beta by 7.
Therefore, that value can be substitution. Here, 1 divide 1 by 3 alpha plus 5 whole square. That is equal to 1 by 3 alpha plus 5 whole square plus 1 by 3 beta plus 5 whole square is equal to this one, alpha square by 49 plus beta square by 49. What is the LCM of both terms? 49.
Alpha square
You
plus
can
beta square by
get
49.
alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divide
Alpha beta
49.
by 49.
Simplify. You know that alpha plus beta, you know that alpha into beta. Do it. What is the sum of the roots?
5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3.
Minus 5 by 3. What is sum of the roots is equal to minus 5 by
Minus 5 by
3.
3.
What is the product of roots is equal to?
Minus 7 by 3.
Minus 7 by 3. Both values are substitution. Both values are substitution.
So 67 by 361, sir. Three. 49. Yes, sir. 25 plus 42. 67 by 9. 9. No, sir. 440. 441, sir. 3.
What is the answer?
441. 64 by
So 67 by 361.
67 by
Yes, sir.
361.
here. What is that value? 25 will divide 9. Next one,
9.
14 by 3 whole divide 49. That is equal to LCM 9 will be there. Here 3 14 42.
minus x
42 plus 20
plus
67 by 9 into 49. 9 into 49. All are getting same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 9 9 81, 9 4 36, 36 8 44. Therefore 67 by what is the getting 441. That is answer. You can get that same answer. Similar question, note down. Today you can try that question. What is the meaning of whole power minus 2? What is the x power minus 2? What is that value? 1 by x square. What is the meaning? 1 by x square. Therefore, that is equal to 1 by x square. Some similar model question, note down. Today you can try that question. Alpha, beta are roots of x square minus 15x plus 1 is equal to 0. Value of 1 by alpha minus 15 whole power minus 2 plus 1 by beta minus 15 whole power minus 2. Over.
Sir, please show the previous slide. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, write down for equation for equation 3x square plus px plus 3 is equal to 0. If one root is square of other, one root is square of other. Here listen, let roots are, one is called a alpha, another one is called alpha square. One root is alpha, another root is called a alpha square, because one root is square of other. That's mean that both roots I can consider alpha comma alpha square. What is the product of roots? Alpha into alpha square is equal to c by a. That is equal to, what is this value is called 1. What is the alpha cube is equal to 1, implies what is the alpha value is equal to 1 is there. Alpha value is equal to 1. You know that sum of the roots alpha plus alpha square is equal to minus p by 3. Minus p by 3. Alpha 1, you know that 1 plus 1 is equal to minus p by 3. What is the p is equal to? 3 into 2 6. That is called minus 6.
Yes, sir.
That is minus 6. don't see that condition because of actually alpha cube is equal to 1 mean power 3 will be there, 3 roots are possible, one of the root is the 1, another 2 roots are imaginary roots will be there. That is later I can explain that point.
Bharat Khadi. These three learn properly. Okay, these three I'll submit next week. Next I have the class same day, Tuesday. Definitely.
So if possible, can you say previous slide?
Why you can ask repeatedly?
So this previous one.
Oh, so many times you asking same slide.
So
Over.
little bit negative side. Little bit negative side.
See, you will read properly. You practice.
Over.
Okay, sir. This previous one. So
Previous one.
okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Next one. That is a small question. Listen. Alpha, beta are real. Alpha square minus beta square are roots of this equation. What is the beta square value? Listen one.
3.
Therefore, equation given that a square x square plus x plus 1 minus a square is equal to 0. What is the common for first and last?
Okay.
Yeah,
And,
square.
A square common. Here is equal to a square into x square minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0.
Yes,
A
sir.
square into x square minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the x square minus 1 roots?
X plus 1 into x minus 1.
X minus 1 into x plus 1. What
X
is
plus
the
1 common.
common? X
X plus 1.
plus 1 common.
A
Remaining
square into
a
x minus 1
square into
plus 1.
x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the x value? Minus
Minus 1.
1. Another
Minus 1
minus
minus
a
a square.
square plus
sir.
1 is equal to 0. What is the x value? A square minus 1 by a square. But here what are roots are given? Alpha square minus beta square. Here minus term only one term is there. That's a mean minus beta,
Beta square is equals to 1.
Ah, that's all. Beta square is equal to 1 will be there. When quadratic will be given, how to able to find? Sometime you can use that relation of roots, sometime directly can be solving. Completed.
Complete, sir.
Okay. And note down this one. alpha comma beta are roots of 2x square plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta whole divide 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. Find that value. Today you can do this question. Before that already given one question. This is their second question you must solve. Completed? Alpha, beta are roots of a 2x square plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then 1 minus alpha into 1 minus beta by 1 plus alpha into 1 plus beta. Over.
Over, sir.
Write down. This model also already explained. X is equal to root over 5 plus root over 5 plus root over 5 up to infinity.
5 plus x.
Root 5 plus x. And squaring on both sides you can get.
X square minus x minus 5.
Okay. And one more also. Same model you can find. This is x is equal to the value of continued fraction. X is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus up to infinity. You can try. Suppose if you not getting, I can explain to that question again.
Sir, once wait, sir.
No problem. That is the question. X is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus like infinity terms.
Sir, once again, sir, previous question.
Already you x is equal to root over 5 plus root over 5 plus etc. up to infinity. Okay.
Sir, this is the first question for our homework.
Before I given two questions. Write down last one. 7 plus 4 root 3 whole power x square minus 8 plus
Sir, total questions for the homework.
5 questions. 7 plus 4 root 3 whole power x square minus 8 plus 7 minus 4 root 3 whole power x square minus 8 is equal to 14. This question having some small logic. Suppose power not there. What is the 7 plus 4 root 3? 7 plus 4 root 3 and 7 minus 4 root 3. What is the summation?
Summation 1.
Again you
No,
can
sir.
see.
A square minus b square.
Again. Not multiplication, only sum
Answer is
I
14,
mark.
14, sir,
14,
14.
14.
14. What is the given here?
14.
14. That's the mean power must be equal to 1 or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all. It's question over. Okay, clear?
Sir, answer is plus or minus 4.
Plus or minus?
Plus or minus
Hmm.
2 root 2.
X square minus 8 is equal to 1. What is x square is equal to?
Plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 3.
Ah, very good. What is the x value is equal to? Plus or minus 3. Okay,
Sir, once
clear?
again, sir, today's homework, first two questions.
Another, this is one question.
Oh, second question. Sir, no, sir.
Wait. This is the first one.
Second one. Sir, the previous one is small. What that, sir?
Huh? Model
So-
before I can explain. 3 alpha plus 5 whole square I can explain or not?
Yes, sir.
That same model.
Okay, sir.
These 5 questions you can try that questions. If whatever not getting I can explain. Okay. Hello. Okay. Solve that these questions. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.